Hi, children. Let us start today the new lesson, The Honest Girl. So, is it? Uh, Let us start meaning of this lesson. The honest girl. Honest means when is sincere. Sumti was a young girl. Here is a Sumti. She was a young girl. Her mother worked in a bank. Her mother is working in a bank, and her father was a doctor. And father was doctor, and mother was banker. Her parents loved her very much. Uh, Her parents loved her very much because she is only one daughter. Sumti always got whatever she asked for. Sumti, whatever she want to ask their parents, they they provided immediately. Sumti always got whatever she asked for. Whenever her parents went to the market, they got beautiful gifts for her. They were Sundays, means when they were free, they will go to the market, and while they are returning from the market, they will bring to her gifts, beautiful gifts. She was quite pampered child, as she was very pamper means very cute girl, quite cute girl. Sumti was a bright student. Yes, she is a very intelligent student. She was good in her studies. Yes, as she was a bright and good in her studies, she did her work neatly and was always polite and helpful to everybody. As she did her work neatly and she was a polite and helpful girl to everybody. She helps her friends also, her teachers also, and everybody. She helps their parents, the teachers, and their friends. But her teachers did feel that Sumti was a little pampered, as her teachers think that she was a very silent girl and cute. She al- she always managed to get whatever she liked. Yes, she want to take anything, she want to like anything. She always whatever she like, she will take that things. If she happened to like somebody's pencil, she was quick to give one of her own things to get the pencil. She want to other pencil. She wants other pencil, or she liked other pencils. She will give her pencil to them, and she will take that pencil from them. But one day, Sumti realized her mistakes. But one day, she did her one mistake. She learned to be happy with whatever she had. As she learned one lesson, what she has realized mistake. So it so happened that one morning when Sumti entered the class. So one morning Sumti entered the class. All the children were gathered around Tina. Here is the Tina, Sumti's friend. All the children were gathered around Tina. Everybody was admiring her new pen. She has brought a new pen to the school, and everybody admiring her pen. Everybody seeing her pen. Sumti also saw the pen. Sumti also saw the pen. It looked beautiful. So pen is beautiful. So now she wrote her name with it. Sumti wrote her name with that beautiful pen. The pen was excellent. The pen was excellent. As the children were admiring her pen, the bell rang and everybody rushed downstairs to the assembly. Yes, as the children were admiring her pen, the bell rang and everybody goes to the assembly. And now, while the children were making their lines for the assembly, after the bell, all are making lines in the assembly. The teacher called Sumti and asked her to bring some chalk from the classroom. The teacher called Sumti and asked her to bring chalk from the classroom. When Sumti entered the class, she could not stop herself from peeping into Tina's bag. So, first of all, she liked her pen. So when she entered the class to bring the chalk, she peeped in into the Tina's bag. She took out the pen to see it once more. She took out the pen to see once more, to see the pen. She wanted to take that pen badly. She wanted to take that badly means here is a so stealing. Just then she heard footsteps. Just when she took the pen, she heard somebody's footsteps. In a hurry, she quickly put the pen in her pocket. So, in a hurry, she put that pen in her pocket. Turning around, she saw Viba entering the class. So, Viba is entering the class. Why? She had come back because she was not feeling well. So, she is not feeling well, so that's why returning to the class. At that time, when she was taking the pen Tina's bag, so quickly he hidden the pen in her pocket. Sumti ran out with the chalk pieces in her hand and the pen in her pocket. Chalk in her hand and the pen in her pocket. She ran out. After the assembly, when everybody settled down, Tina started searching for her pen. After the assembly, everybody came to class and Tina is searching her pen in her bag. She told the class teacher and that her pen was missing. As she told the class teacher, the pen was missing. Miss Ali want yes, the teacher name is Miss Ali wanted to know who was in the class during the assembly. Yes, who was there during the assembly in the class? Um, as she asked. As Viba was called. Yes, Viba was there in the class because she was not feeling well. She returned to class at the time. Miss Ali searched her bag but could not find the pen. Yes, teacher Miss Ali searched her pen in her bag but there is no pen in the bag. She scolded Viba for stealing. As Madam scolded Viba for stealing, poor Viba, she started crying. So now Viba not stolen the pen, but she scolded by her teacher because she was in the class while during the assembly. So poor Viba started crying. Sumti was too afraid to get up and give the pen to Tina. Yes, Sumti was not too afraid. Sumti was too afraid to get up and give the pen to her Tina because the teacher is scolding Viba and she get fearing from the teacher. She could not stand up and give the pen. Miss Ali gave Viba a day's time to tell the truth. As Miss Ali gave 1 day for her to tell the truth. Now Sumti was a very sensitive child. Is it? Now Sumti was very sensitive child. She spent the night tossing and turning in bed. As Sumti did not sleep at that night because she is turning and she is tossing in her bed because she stolen that pen. She could not sleep. The pen was still hidden under her pillow. The pen was still hidden under her pillow. She looked at it again. She looked at it again for the 100th time. She looked at the pen 100 times. The pen was no longer looked beautiful to her. So pen was no longer to her looked her beautiful because she looked many times that pen. She could not forget Viva's face when a Miss Ali had accused her. Yes, she could not forget Viva's face because when teacher she scolded to her, she is also getting fear from the teacher. She felt bad because Viva had been scolded for no fault of hers. There is no fault for Viva's, though she was scolded by the teacher. She decided that she would keep the pen back in Tina's bag the next morning. The Sumti was decided to keep the pen Tina's bag in the next morning. Next day, when Sumti reached school, She saw Vibha sitting alone in the class. Yes, next day, when Sumti reached the school, she saw Vibha sitting alone in the class. She was very sad. Vibha was very sad. Don't worry. Maybe somebody will keep the pen back today. Yes, she is giving uh, that she will keep the back pen, and she is telling that somebody will keep the pen back to Tina's bag. She tried to comfort Vibha. She is trying comfort Vibha, but everybody will think that I have kept it back. Vibha replied. Yes, Vibha is thinking that everybody will think that she will keep the pen in her bag because yesterday the madam scolded to her because she was still. The bell rang and the school started. When Miss Ali entered the class, she called Vibha. Yes, when the bell rang and school started, when Miss Ali entered the class, she called Vibha. Before Vibha could get up, Sumti got up. When to teacher called Vibha, before standing Vibha, Sumti stood up. Miss, the pen is with me. Yes, Sumti stillness. Miss, the pen is with me. I was looking at it yesterday when suddenly Vibha entered the class and without thinking I put it in my pocket. Yes, she told what yesterday was happened. I was afraid to tell when you were scolding Vibha. I am very sorry. I will never do it again. Yes, she is telling that the truth what was happening yesterday that she told to teacher. Everybody was surprised. Yes, everybody was surprised because she told in front of everybody truth. Miss Ali was the first one to speak. Sumti, you are a brave and honest girl. Yes, she is telling that to Sumti. You are a brave and honest girl because you told the truth in front of the class. Yes, in front of everybody, you have told the truth. You are a brave girl. We all make mistakes, is it? But we are always afraid to admit them. This is the true. We all make mistakes, but everybody could not admit them. Say sorry to Vibha. Yes, Sumti told Vibha to sorry. It was because of you that she was scolded, and make a promise that you will never do something like this again. The Sumti promised to teacher, never do will again, never will do again like this. Saying this, she asked the class to take out their books. Everybody was happy. Once again, Sumti had learned the lesson. Yes, this is the lesson. So we have to admit the mistakes. When we all make mistakes, is it? In the childhood, we all make mistakes. So we have to admit them. That time we will learn the lesson from that mistake. So this is the lesson. Uh, the answers I will send in the WhatsApp group. So you have to read this lesson once. Thank you. Have a nice day.